Trans-Turmeric, hosting this event, is the African division of ADNM Group. I will let our next panelist to go more in details about our role and vision that I support 100% coming in here. Founder of ADNM 21 years ago, I was still very implicated in project and product design. I'm not just a salesperson or a investor, but part of the vision of our suite of product and services. And this is why I'm here today. It's very important for me to understand, you know, the requirements, the needs, to understand how things operate. That's why it took a lot of time talking with people coming in here. So enough to talk about me. Let's talk about why we're here.